こんにちは。元気であることを願っています。このチャンネルでは AI ツールや便利な他のツールについて話します。いいね、チャンネル登録、ベルアイコンを押してください。ありがとうございます。
You saw that video. I don't know how to speak Japanese, so how did I make it happen? Well, I have used some specific AI tools by using which you can convert your spoken language in that video to your desired language. So in this video, I'm going to share with you some of those specific AI tools by using which you will be able to translate from one language to another language. And these AI tools are free with credits. You don't have to worry about those expensive softwares. All you need to do is just to upload your video file and the AI tool will be converting that file into your desired language. So without wasting further time, let me show you in my computer screen how to actually do that. So our first application is Captions.ai. Just click on the link in the description and you will be directed to this page. All you need to do is just to click on Get Started. Click on Get Started. And as you can see over here, I have already done one project. The same video that I have made in English, it have converted into Japanese. So all you need to do is just to upload the video. This one I'll be uploading. So the original language is English. The translated language I have selected over here, Japanese. And here it will be AI dubbing. It will be doing the AI dubbing. You will find two options over here. AI translate captions only. That means it will be translating just only the captions. It will not translate the voice. Like you were speaking in Japanese language, it will not translate that. So I'll be going for AI dubbing and it will be uploading my entire project. It will take a bit time, so you can just hold your breath a bit. And after that, I have already done, so I'll be skipping this. So after it get uploaded, all you need to do is just to click on it, and after that you will be directed to this editor over here. Now let me show you how it is actually done.
皆さんこんにちは。お元気でいらっしゃいますか？このチャンネルでは生活を楽にするための AI ツールやそのツールについてお話しています。チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いします。そしてベルの
Let me do one thing. Okay, now it is okay.
アイコンを押して、より重要なビデオの更新情報を入手してください。どうもありがとうございます。次の動画でお会いしましょう。
Not bad. But here you will be able to find the captions, the watermark. So for removing the watermark, you can go for their premium subscription plans as well. However, I'm not going for it because if you are making a short video, then you can just cut it like this and you will be able to make without it. Anyway, so here you will be able to find two ways to transcribe these writings in Japanese, what I am actually speaking. So after doing that, you can just click on export and you will be able to export the entire video. So this is the first application, Captions.ai. Now let's check out our second application, which is Heygen.ai. The link will be in the description. Just click on that link and you'll be directed to a welcome page. Just sign up, and after doing the sign up, you'll be directed to this editor over here. I have already opened it because I have already done the same video translation over here. So all you need to do is just to go on translation. Okay, I have already opened it. So here let me show you. You will be able to find three options over here. If you upload the video, if you upload your photograph, you will be able to do the lip syncing, and with proper lip syncing you will be able to convert one language to another language. You can also create your own avatar, and after that there are a bunch of AI voices. So let's do the most important thing over here, video translation. Here you will be able to upload your video in two ways. First one is if you want to translate any video already uploaded in social media, you can just click the link over here, paste the link over here, and it will be translating that video. Or if you have it in your folder, then just go to Explorer and just upload one video. I'll be uploading the same video and create on translate, and then click over here and choose the targeted language. So here I can go for Japanese, but where is it? Okay, let's search. Okay, Japanese, and after that confirm the submission. 11 credits left. Okay, so previously, and there you will be able to find 1 credit for 1 minute of video. So submit for translation, and it will be submitting the entire thing. It will also take a bit time, just like caption, so you have to wait a bit. And after doing the same process, you'll be able to find your video. I'll be skipping this process. Yes, trash. I have already done it, so I'll be opening this video, and as you saw in the first video, it was from this editor only. You will be able to see one watermark just like captions.
こんにちは。元気であることを願っています。このチャンネルでは AI ツールや便利な他のツールについて話します。いいね、チャンネル登録、ベルアイコンを押してください。ありがとうございます。
So that's the video, and after that you can just go and download the video. So with their watermark, you can just go and download the video. However, you can go for their premium version as well, where your watermark will be removed. So this is the second AI tool. I hope you like it. Now let's talk about some of the limitations of these AI tools. The very first limitation is don't expect the exact translation of the video line. Now let's say you have used some slang words or word which is not actually recognized, so it will be generating a wrong language conversion, and the translated language can be a bit different. So don't expect the exact translation of that. However, it will definitely improve over the period of time. And the second thing is, it will be really much better if you use these AI tools for short form content, like for making short videos. You can also use for long form contents as well, but the main problem will be you will have to go for their premium versions, in which you need to pay the subscription, and rest is up to you. So these are some of the things that you need to consider, and these AI tools are really great to use. You can just go out and check it out by yourself. Now let's talk about how you can use these AI tools in real life. Very first use is to get to wider section of audience. You have one online business and you want to increase your circle with other language persons who don't know about your language. By using these translating tools, they will be able to understand what you are actually doing, and by that you can grow up your business with wider section of your audience. Another way is for education purpose. Now you have made one video about something in your own language. Let's say there are some people who don't know your language, but you want them to understand about what you are talking about in that video. So for that reason, for education purpose, you can use these AI tools. So that is it. I hope that made you understand how to use this AI tool. So if you find this video a bit helpful, then please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for getting more important video updates. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.